Hello Amazons, it's me, and this is going to be a gemstone jewelry haul. Take a minute and hit subscribe if you love jewelry. This is a channel for jewelry and accessories lovers. So let's just jump into it. All of these are natural gemstones if I am not mistaken, and these were bought a little bit back ago. So let's just jump in. If I remember what it is, I'll let you know. I may not remember what everything is though. So let's get started. This right here is a white jade stretch bracelet with crystal quartz. So hopefully you ladies can see that. It's really nice. I have worn this. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen me wearing this. And it matches a necklace that I bought separately. This necklace right here is white jade, crystal quartz, and then I want to say like a white agate. Yeah. So let me just, this is very, very pretty, very cooling on the neck. Love it. The only jade is the round beads. You can't see it on camera, but they're two different color whites. This is like a creamy milky white, and this is like a more opaque bright white. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that on camera. Okay, so in this pouch here, which I have not worn this and I have not cleaned it yet, I got this beautiful sterling silver fluorite necklace. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Such a beautiful seafoam green color. So very, 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 very pretty. Have not worn that yet. Moving along. This is a pretty multicolor sterling silver agate necklace. Really pretty little agate beads. And again, I told you guys and girls that my thing for the summer is gemstone strands. So, and I wanted some new ones to add to my collection. This is another one in silver agate. This one's mostly green, whereas the other one was multicolored. So, very beautiful. This is just a dyed green agate. Nothing really special, but I liked the color on this one. So I thought that was really, really pretty. It's a really nice green. I like it against my skin tone. Very, very pretty. This beauty here is a sterling silver rose quartz and a chalcedony bracelet with pearl. Beautiful sterling silver toggle clasp with a heart. Absolutely beautiful. Needs a cleaning, but so, so, so pretty. I mean, look at that. Really, really, really nice. Love, love, love that. Moving along, here I have a beautiful Rhodochrosite necklace in sterling silver. Beautiful all natural stones. And again, loving this on my skin tone. And believe it or not, when I was looking, one of these stones actually has a little heart on it, like a black heart. I don't remember which one it is, but I just thought that was a sweet little sign from the universe. Oh, there it is, upside down. Look at that. Let me focus. Focus. Oh no, the camera doesn't want to focus. Hold on. Yeah, look at that. A really pretty little black heart on the stone. So I thought that was super sweet. Moving along, this is a beautiful jade necklace, natural jade with crystal quartz beads. I wanted to get a little bit more jade. I don't have a lot of jade. I wasn't feeling the color of this too much until I tried it on. And once I tried it on, I just completely fell in love with it. So, super cute. Speaking of jade, this was sold to me as jade on a very, very long sterling silver chain. I got this off of eBay. I'm not sure if this is jade or not. Like, I know it's a natural gem. It might be aventurine, but the seller listed it as jade. But that's okay because of what I paid for it. I don't really care. I just think it's really pretty. And it is a necklace. It does not come off the chain. And it is a sterling silver chain. And it's very, very long. So I like it. This is a beautiful bead strand of garnets. I always wanted one of these, so, and I know JTV does sell these if you're interested. At least they did. I don't know if they have any more in stock, but yeah, beautiful, beautiful garnet bead strand. Absolutely love it. So nice. Let's see, what else do I have here? There's so much stuff here, guys. This was a free gift with purchase. So I know that that's Tanzanite, those little chips. This stone, I don't know. It's dark blue. It looks like a dyed blue tiger's eye. I don't know, but again, this was given to me as a gift. It is silver, but I thought that was really unique. This isn't something I would have picked out for myself, but I like it, so it looks nicer on me. So very sweet man gave that to me as a gift. Let's see. Okay, so this pretty thing, which if you follow me on Instagram, you saw a sneak peek of this. Now this thing here is glass beads. There's no metal, and then it drops into a pink agate. So this was handmade. I got this off of eBay. Look at that. Look at that pretty stone. It's like a soft baby pink, and it was handmade, and I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. I love the summer vibes coming from this. So yeah, and there's no metal in it because sometimes my neck will get irritated by hot metals in the summer, especially if I start to sweat. So sometimes this is another reason why I like gemstone bead strands, because they're just so soothing to the skin, and you know, there's no irritation there. So great. And again, this would look fabulous with a bathing suit, which is what I'm thinking about. So that was that. I purchased this beautiful pearl necklace in silver with a silver toggle clasp. Look at that. So it's black and white pearls, and these pearls are really big, Glamazon. So this is so awesome. And I do live in New York. There are a ton of jewelry stores, and there are outdoor vendors and events. So I am everywhere this time of year. So that was handmade, and I thought that was really beautiful. Let me move along. Another pearl piece. This one is Tanzanite, pearl, and lapis. And again, it just goes on and on. It's a really nice long strand. Have not worn it. There is no metal. But again, I thought the colors were just spectacularly pretty. There's a fuzzy on here. And yeah, isn't that cute? Okay, moving it because my camera will run out of storage. This is a black agate bead necklace. Sterling silver, just faceted black agates. Very nice. Oh, here is another sterling silver pearl necklace. The light is going to wash these out. Sorry, guys. But it's just a little necklace with 5 pearls. on a silver chain. Booking it, this beauty here is blue agate and rock crystal quartz. So look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at the quality on here. I had to have this when I saw it. I actually didn't have a lot of blue necklaces. And why buy plastic beads? Like, why buy plastic or acrylic when you can just get the real thing? So yeah, I chose to get the real thing. And quickly, before my phone battery gives out, this is a huge agate necklace. It is huge. This thing weighs like 5 pounds. I'm not even kidding. It's freaking huge. You could weight lift with this. So I got this. It's sterling silver. And then on eBay, I bought these handmade necklaces. So there you go. And it's a carnelian one. Carnelian. Now the findings are silver, but the clasp is not. And then it has a little Buddha right there. So I thought that was really funky and cool. And then this one, which was my favorite. Again, the clasp is not silver, but the findings are. So I'm just going to have the clasp switched out. This is fluorite. And then it drops into a moss agate Buddha. So I thought that was so pretty. And I love fluorite. I love this color. I just think it's magnificent. And you really, really can't go wrong with that. So that's it, Glamazons. I hope you enjoyed this gemstone haul. I had so much fun doing it for you. Up next, we have a jewelry haul. But yes, this is totally what I am feeling for summer. This is what I'm doing this summer. If you guys are interested, like, I'm definitely saying beads, beads, and more gemstones. Pile them on, ladies. So I will talk to you, Glamazons, later. Have fun collecting. Bye, Glamazons.